Apple Intelligence is not available on iPhone. One Siri is set to English India. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you want to use Apple Intelligence in your iPhone but you are facing this kind of problem, Apple Intelligence is not available, then keep watching this video because in this video today I'll tell you how you can enable Apple Intelligence in your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. To enable Apple Intelligence on iPhone, first close the settings application on your iPhone, then reopen it. Now swipe down and tap General. Swipe down again and tap Language and Region. Tap on it. In the Language and Region, tap Region. Here we have to change our iPhone from India to United States. Even if you are from other country, you have to change it to United States because Apple Intelligence is currently available for the United States and Apple will launch it for other countries later. After changing the country, now go back to the settings menu. Swipe down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Here we want to enable Apple Intelligence, but as you can see there is still no button to turn it on and it is still showing that Apple Intelligence is not available. So what we have to do now, we have to go into the language now. Here you have to select English United States. As soon as you select it, a button will appear to turn Apple Intelligence on and off. So when the button appears, turn it on. So guys, I hope now you all know how to enable and disable Apple Intelligence on iPhone. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.